In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete people in Pipedrive. First, open your browser and head to the Pipedrive website. Make sure you're on the official sign-in page and that you're using a secure connection. When you're ready, click the Login button, enter your account credentials, complete any verification that pops up, and if you're part of multiple workspaces, choose the correct one so you don't remove a contact from the wrong environment. If you don't have permission to manage contacts, you may need an admin to grant access before continuing. Once you're in, navigate to Contacts. This is where all of your individuals and organizations live. For this task, focus on the People view. If you see organizations instead of individuals, switch to the People tab. Use the search bar or your saved filters to quickly locate the person you want to remove. It's a good idea to double-check you've selected the correct record, especially if you have multiple people with similar names. Take a moment to review any open deals, activities, or notes tied to this person so you understand the impact of deleting them. Deleting a person removes their contact record and can affect how you access related items later. So confirm that this is what you intend to do. Click the person's name to open their profile page. On the right side of the screen, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More Options. If you don't see it, try expanding your window or checking that you're on the person's detail view rather than the list view. Permissions can also hide this option, so reach out to your admin if it's missing. From the three-dot menu, select Delete. Pipedrive will display a confirmation dialog, so you can review what's about to happen. Read the message carefully to ensure you're deleting the correct contact. This is your last chance to back out if needed. If everything looks right, confirm by clicking Delete again. The system will process the request, and the person will be removed from your contacts. After the deletion, return to the contacts list and refresh your view or clear any filters to verify the person no longer appears. If you deleted the wrong contact by mistake, check your account's recovery options or contact your administrator promptly, as restore windows and permissions can vary by plan. That's it. You've successfully deleted a person in Pipedrive by logging in, going to Contacts, opening the person's profile, using the three-dot menu, and confirming the deletion. Thanks for watching, and take care when removing records to keep your data clean and accurate.